there is somewhere 3 rupees interest, 4 rupees interest is the possible. Okay, forget about all the cases. My mother, sister, in Telugu we can use the word pinni, chinnamma, like we are using the word, or English auntie. My mother's younger sister. What she did is, she is staying somewhere in Tenali. She is paying every month. She is paying for the chit amount. Like there is a chit organizer is there. My pinny knows very well. My auntie knows very well that person. Every month she is paying the chit amount. Next, she is going to get okay chits. The people who are going to manage chit managers will be there at personal, not company kind of thing. Then the person asked my pinny. So I required very urgently money. 3 rupees interest I can give. 3 rupees interest. 3 rupees interest means how much percentage? 36% interest. Do you know 36%? 3 rupees interest I will give per month. Per month. That is compounding per month. Per month I will give. If anywhere you have the money, can you please help? Like that lady asked my pinny. Then greediness will be there, right? For my pinny, she can get the money at 1 rupee or 1.5 rupee interest. 1 rupee means 12% only. 1.5 rupee means 18% interest. With the interest, with that interest only she can get. What this lady did is, what my aunt did is, she took the loan with 1.5 rupee interest. And she gave that loan for 3 rupees interest. Are you getting my point, right? Dosto?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Here, the money is not my auntie's money. She borrowed somewhere with the 1.5 rupee interest. And she gave that money for 3 rupees interest. Our feeling is, for 1 lakh per month, 1.5 rupee interest means how much? Please calculate. 1.5 rupee interest per month. Per month, how much?
Around 15 to 16,000 it will come.
For
Per
1
1
lakh. 1 minute. Just I'm asking about per month. Per month,
Yes.
for 1 lakh, 1.5 rupee means 1,500 rupees is the interest she required to pay. Correct, right?
Yes.
Ayyo.
Yes,
Correct,
yes.
correct, correct.
1,500 rupees she required to pay. She required to pay the interest for 1 month. Per month, per 1 lakh. 1,500 rupees she required to pay. But the lady who took for 3 rupees interest, how much she is going to pay for the same 1 lakh? 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees. Okay, per month 3,000 rupees she is going to pay. Then automatically what will happen is, oh, 3,000 I will get interest from here, but I require to pay 1,500 only. So the remaining 1,500 happily I can use like yes, my auntie feels like that, and she borrowed from anywhere. If any person willing to provide money, please contact me. 1.5 rupee interest, 1.5 rupee interest, 1.5 rupee interest, like she collected money from all her known sources, and she gave that money for 3 rupees interest there. 1 month or 2 months, 3 months, the game is moved very smoothly. 4th month onwards, she started play the game. Okay, this month is not there. Next month definitely I will give by adding for interest also, like 2nd month completed, 3rd month completed, 4th month completed. At certain point, she started telling, so I'm not having the money. Definitely I will give to you because I know that you borrowed from somewhere. But currently my situation is not up to the mark. What I can do? If I will get the money, definitely for the first person I will give to you only. But don't ask me money. Like completely that lady hands up. Worry about my pinny situation.
Wherever she borrowed money, she need to give interest.
She need to give interest, she need to give the principal amount, but this lady is completely hands up. Then, to clear the debts, she struggled minimum 10 to 15 years time. 10 to 15 years time. This is what greediness. If you want, you can check in your surrounding. If you want, you can check in your surrounding. These type of stories, n number by default will be there.